Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to work the back loops of crochet stitches. So what you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. And I have already made a test swatch here with 2 different colors. That way it's going to be easier to see how to work in the back loops. And I have already made 2 chains on my hook here because I'm going to be working the half double crochet stitch. If you need to learn how to chain or how to work the half double crochet stitch, I already have videos on those and I will have them listed down below. So for working in the back loops, normally when you work a stitch, you would work right here and to the side right here of your work. And today to work the back loops, what we're going to do is you're going to turn your work like this, where you're facing the top of it. And you're going to be working basically right here into the top of the previous stitches that you made. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. So it's going to look like that. And you can see that normally you'd work right into here. So you're going to turn it. You're going to work into the top of that stitch. Again, work into the top. Oh my gosh. Stitch doesn't want to go. Working into the top. And that is how you work into the back loop. So as you can see, if you turn it and you sort of look at it from different angles, you can see that it's sort of made this ridge. It's really great for adding some texture to any project that you're working on. It looks really nice, and if you continue to do it, like say you do it on this right here, it's going to add texture on the back of this, so it's going to look ridged. It's really easy and really neat once you get used to it. So that is how you work into the back loops of stitches. And honestly, you could do it with any stitch. Say you're working like a single crochet, double crochet, whatever you want to do. It's the same process. It's just working into the top of the stitch instead of the side of the stitch like you normally would. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. I hope you guys like this format of my videos. Sorry, there's a little it's not perfect, but hey, I'm having fun over here. Please leave me any suggestions for future videos, stuff you'd like to see from me, tutorials. I can do a bunch of stuff over here. I'm pretty excited to start making more videos. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.